Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have seen how to create post REST API in Next.js 14 and above with MongoDB. In this video, we are going to use the same post API in Next.js web page. For that, we have to design a page and we need to create an interface to insert the information in MongoDB by using post API. So let us start. To save a time, just I have designed the template for inserting the record. If you see the template, it will look like this. So post API, and we have an insert employee record, we have a text box like this, we have a add button. Remember that this add button we can use for post information. So that interface we have designed. So how to design this interface I have explained in my previous videos also, but in this video I am just trying to explain you in a brief. Just like this, we have a state variable. In this we are passing a object like this, EID, name and salary, all are blank now, empty. We have a two methods, set emp, that I am using in each and every component. Like here on change, I am going to use this set emp, and this emp.id would be the value. Same we have here for name, and same we have here for salary also, and same function, and the salary is a object variable. Now you see we have a button also, submit button, and we give the name here. So in place of add, I can also give the name post as per your comfortability. We have a button, I'm using bootstrap, so primary and call 3, margin is 2. Same, I have a rounded text box interface in the auto in the center of the screen. Same is the layout of bootstrap. So it take lot of time to design. To save a time, I have already designed this. We have this, and you know how to design because you know bootstrap also. So if you don't know, follow my previous video to learn bootstrap also with Next.js. In this video, I am not concentrating on designing a web page because it's a fundamental concepts, and I'm just now concentrating on REST API. So in this video, I am just making a concentration only on post API, how to use the post API that we have created in last video. So this post API we want to use. For that, I have designed this template type of page, and this look like this by using bootstrap. A simple one. Now we are just trying to make a code. For that, like in emp, set emp here, so each and every text box, whenever we write a information, you see that if I try to write something here, so nothing, I'm not able to insert information because it's not working. So we have to make it workable. For that, I need to make a coding here. So I say event.prevent default. First of all, we have to call this function. Then I need to create, I say const the name and value. So I say name equal to event.target.name. Remember that, because whenever we try to write something in any text box, then we will have a name of that, and we will also have the value of that. Value equal to, so event.target.value. So this we have, name we have, value we have. Remember that, and I say const like this. Now we need to insert this information in this state variable. For that, we have set emp rec. So I say set emp rec. Here I need to take the previous value also. So I say pemp, and I need to create like this way because we have to return this value also. And here I need to insert the previous value. So I say .pemp, and the new value which I am insert, I say name here. I want to use this, and I say value of this. So like that way I want to insert a new record in the text box. So if you see that, now I think text box is able to write something. So I said, you see, I'm writing anything in here and it working perfectly, no problem at all. So it is working perfectly. We can insert any information. So it is working. So this function is now workable. That is the state variable, information is coming here. Now we have to work on submit. So on submit, we have to call post API to insert information. Again, I say event dot prevent default that we need to call to avoid the refresh of the page. Then I need to call fetch API, but before that I need to create header. So I say headers equal to new headers like this. Then I say headers dot append, and here I need to pass content type as a object. I need to pass, I think so. I need this one like this. I say application slash JSON, and that I need to pass in an object like this. So headers append, and this is the information, content type and application JSON. So you see header is there, and then after that I need to call fetch function, and under this fetch function I need the API. So again I call post one, and from here I need to call this API, and I paste here. And if we use fetch for post information, we need to pass additional information also. That information I need to pass here like method. So I say method should be post. Then I need header, so I say headers equal to headers, no problem, headers like this. And then I say mode, I say chorus, remember, and I say body is, here I need to pass JSON dot stringifier, and here I need to pass the emp rec, the information that here I comma emp rec, this information, this is state variable I need to insert. We need to pass here, post is there, header is there, course is there, and we have the body also. So everything is there. Then we need to use then. So if something is there, then we have a response, and after that in response here also I try to check if response dot status equal to 200. If status is okay, then I need to use alert, and I say record inserted. Save this. So like that way we have to use this post API. Remember that the post API that we created in last video, this one, that we are going to use here. Same information we are passing, and now we have to check whether we are able to insert a record or not. For that, again I just refresh it. First I check the existing records. So I click here, and you see 7 ID, 1 to 7 ID is available. So I need to insert 8 one. So I say ID number 8, and here I say testing user, just like this, and I say salary is something like this. I click on post, and if something is okay, we have an error, so I need to check it. Append on failed to execute, append on header, 2 argument required. Okay, we need to pass 2 arguments, so I have passed the object. So I think I need to pass like this, 2 arguments. Okay, this one I need to pass this one. So once again I try to go to the page, and now I try to pass ID number 8. I say testing user, and I say here any value which you want to insert. Click on insert. You see record inserted. If something is okay, then we have a 8 number testing user also we have inserted. You see, that means this API, this interface is perfectly working on this post API. Remember that this post API we are using, and on this post API this interface is working perfectly. Now you can insert any number of record by using this interface. So you see that in this video we have learned how to use this post API in Next.js app. In next video we are going to learn how to create put REST API for updating your record. That we are going to learn in next video, and delete another videos also we have in a series. So if you like this video, if you understand how to create or use post API in Next.js 14 above, please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching this video.